2024 Ram 3500. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.